Hello, it's Anna from Crochetclubstore. Today I will show you how to crochet a simple pattern like this. It's called a solid granny square. There are small holes here. We'll be crocheting a small one like this. And then, by analogy, you can crochet a large one like this, or any size you need. So, I will be crocheting with hook numbered 0.5 millimeters, and with this regular cotton yarn, sport weight yarn in my case. Let's start it. Make a slip knot. And crochet for chains. 1 chain, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 chains. And now we insert the hook into the first chain. And make slip stitch. We got a ring like this. And now we will crochet into this ring. Crochet the first round. Chain 3. Count as first double crochet. Make a yarn over. Insert the hook into the center of our ring. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and through 2 loops on the hook. So, we have crocheted 1 double crochet. Crochet 1 more. A yarn over. Insert hook into the center of the ring. Pull up a loop, yarn over. Pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and through 2 loops on the hook. We got another double crochet. Now make 2 chains. For the corner of our square. And crochet 3 double crochets again. First double crochet. Second double crochet. Third double crochet. And again, repeat 2 chains and crochet 3 double crochets. This chains will be for us. Corners of the square. We make 2 chains again. Yarn over and again 3 double crochets we work through. And the third one. Now to get another corner, we crochet 2 chains and make slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Hook in like this. Pull through. So we have crocheted the first row. Here, these are our corners. Corner spaces. For us, important to have invisible join in the round. We always start. Each round we start from the corner space. And so as not to cut the working yarn, we just lay slip stitches until the corner space like this. Like this. I work 3 slip stitches. Now, I will start the second row already from the corner space. So let's start crocheting the second round. Again, we make 3 chains. And we crochet another double crochet into this corner space. Now we crochet 2 chains and into the same corner space we crochet 2 double crochets. Now, in every corner space, we crochet 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. This is how we crochet a corner. Now, we are just making double crochets until the next corner space. Here we have 1, 2, 3 double crochets. So, we have crocheted 3 double crochets. And now again we crochet into the corner space 2 double crochets. Two chains. And again 2 double crochets. This way we have crocheted a corner, and now again 3 double crochets until the next corner space. And again we crochet a corner. 2 double crochets. 2 chains. 2 double crochets. Then up to the next corner space. And again we crochet a corner. We crochet a corner, 2 double crochets in the corner space, 2 chain stitches, and again 2 double crochets. We crochet 3 double crochets. So now we are joining. We are making a slip stitch. We will now crochet the third round. Here we have stopped here, not in a corner space right now. We need to make 1 slip stitch. To end up in the corner space, everything is ready. Now we make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Make a yarn over and crochet a double crochet. Since we are again in a corner space, we crochet 2 double crochets and again 2 chains, 2 double crochets, and further until the next corner space. We already have to crochet 7 double crochets. That is, with each row we increase, in this space, plus 4 double crochets every time. Alright, let's get started. We're crocheting 7 double crochets. So we're back near the corner space. In the corner, we follow the pattern, 2 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, 2 double crochets. And continue like this to the corner space. Again, 7 double crochets. We've finished crocheting the 3rd row. If you want to keep crocheting, continue following the same pattern. Make a slip stitch. Bring it to the corner and continue in the same manner. I will now show you how to make the finish invisible. Join in the round. Cut the working yarn. Pulling through. Insert the hook from wrong side to right side, between the 2nd double crochet and 3 chain at the beginning of the round. Yarn over and pulling through. Insert hook from back side front loop only. Into this little loop from which yarn over and pull it through here. This is the invisible join we've got. So now I'll show how to weave in the ends. So we take a tapestry needle and insert the yarn tail. The ends, carefully insert the needle between stitches on wrong side of the square. This is the square we've got. Straighten it out. It turned out to be approximately 6 centimeters or 2 1/3 of an inch. If you want to make the bigger granny square, you can crochet more rounds. Repeat round 3. Increase numbers of stitches between corner spaces. In the round 4, there will be 11 here. In the round 5, there will be 15 here. In the next round 19. PDF with written instruction is available on my website and link in the first comment. If you liked it, hit like. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.